Hello, this is Elysia. I am in Wickliffe, Kentucky. I'm on my way to St. Louis, and I thought I would stop at Lambert's on the way. And I am going to cross the Cairo Bridge shortly. To be honest with you, the only enemy I have crossing these bridges are the speed demons. Speed limit is 20 on both bridges, and I want to make sure they pass. Ooh. I want to stay back as much as I can. Well, wait for that one to stop. I think it's my time to go. Alright.
4.8 miles. Turn left onto US 60 West.
If these speed demons want to have a fight, they're going to have to bear with me. Here's a speed demon coming up. I'm going to let him by. 2 of them. This is what I'm good at, letting the speed demons by. Because it's coming up to 55, they're going to speed up quick.
Buff City Soap sent a long message and sent a photo.
Make sure they're all gone, especially today being Friday. Let this truck go, and I will go. Like I said, they're going to speed up shortly, and I want to do this legally. Myself up. Here comes another speed demon. There's another place to pull over. Pull over. Let these idiots by. Because I'm not going to play on the bridge. I would take these bridges over Brookport. Although they are old, I want to do this safely. Okay. Look at that. Look at him or her. That's crazy. I didn't get much sleep last night, so I hope I'm awake for the entire duration of the trip. But I will stop at Lambert's on the way, get something to eat. Haven't been there in a long time. much will wake me up. Maybe early. Running early already. Looks like progress is good because there's a trucker way back that's slowing traffic down, which is good. They need to slow down when they get up here to the bridge. And we're going to have to start slowing down. I think they're supposed to be inspecting the bridge through rope climbing this week. So I understood they had it open to one lane. Yeah, one lane road ahead. Be prepared to stop. Slowing her down. I'm slowing her down. One car past that trucker, but that vehicle will have to wait because I'm taking this easy. I don't see a flagman. Don't be an idiot, car. Doing a little bit too fast, but I need to slow her down. You need to slow down as well. You're making me go fast. I'll let you by. I'm nice to you. I did it the wrong way. But this is what happens. I know I did it illegally. I'm sorry, but this is just let this speed demon by. Look how fast he's going. And I did something illegal just to let this creep by. Flagman. Maybe I was doing right a while ago. Not quite. Yeah, they're still inspecting.
Turn left onto US 60 West. In about 12 miles, turn left to merge onto I-57
Speed limit's 40. I'm in Illinois right now, fixing to go into Missouri, Mississippi River. Here we go. This is a little bit faster. I'm still going to go slow. And this bridge is a little more narrow. Thank you, Jesus, for getting me this far so far. I know I've broken the law earlier. At least there was no cop behind me. Slow down this truck. Both of these bridges need to be replaced. Especially because of these truckers. They travel a lot. This is like one of these main corridors. Yeah, we got a one more sharp turn. Bridge, get this. There we go, speed her up. Yay! We did it. So that's how I cope with these speed demons.